5 Best Ways to Clean Your Mattress. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. A night of peaceful and memorable sleep is what we all crave. And a mattress is the way to ensure proper sleep. However, if not in a perfectly clean condition, the mattress can be the reason for the worst sleeping experience you'll ever have. Hello viewers, and welcome to another content release from FastKlean. Our key concern is to provide you with tips to improve your health and live a more satisfying life. On our channel, you will find a wide variety of useful content about well-being and lifestyle. We hope you'll subscribe to gain access to other similar releases. We also urge you to like our Facebook for more interesting posts. Maintaining a tidy mattress free of stain might look complicated and overwhelming. But it's much easier than you think. Today, we want to disclose the fantastic methods and steps you can use to clean your mattress and maintain stain-free bedding. Let's dive in. Step number 1. Strip the mattress. When planning to clean up your mattress, the first thing you want to do is to remove everything, from the bed linen to the protector and other covering. Then wash and dry them as per the manufacturer's instructions. It's advisable to use warm water to wash off and kill any present germs. You should also acquire a new set of coverings you will use to replace the ones you have removed after your mattress cleaning process. Step number 2. Vacuum your mattress. The next step is to vacuum clean your mattress. And it is very easy to do it. Hovering will help you to remove all specks of germs and grimes. You will be surprised at the level of dust that comes out of your bedding. But it is understandable from the fact that we sleep in it every night. There are many kinds of hovers out there that you can utilize. So, you should get one for yourself. Step number 3. Remove bed stains. The next thing to do is to check for any stain on your mattress and tackle them accordingly. You can do this using a steam cleaner, but if you don't have one, there's nothing to be worried about. You can simply utilize spot cleaning. How do you spot clean? You can make a DIY cleaning solution that you have all the ingredients already in your pantry, or choose an eco-friendly one, then dab gently on the stain spot on your mattress and leave it to air dry. Make sure to avoid rubbing the surface, because you can set the stain deeper and break the textile of the bedding. Once the mattress is completely dry, vacuum the spot again to make sure the stain has vanished. Step number 4. Spray with disinfectant. When all stains have been removed, having a scented atmosphere is awesome. Therefore, you want to make sure your mattress smells nice all the time. We recommend that you use an all-in-one disinfectant spray on your mattress, because it does not only give it an awesome scent, but also kills accumulated germs and bacteria. It's best to spray the disinfectant on your mattress and allow it to air dry, then move to the next step. Step number 5. Use mattress protector. Using a mattress protector is the best thing you can do for your mattress. It preserves it from stains, spills, or any other dirt from getting through. This is why those who utilize protectors will barely have any stains on their bedding. Make sure you have a few pairs on hand and switch them every time you change your sheets. In conclusion, the above are the best tips you can implement to have a sparkling clean mattress. Try them out today and enjoy your time in bed. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite you to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time. FastKlean, a greener and healthier future.